Welcome to my channel who are watching my video. Today's topic is how to learn English. I have learned English many times. मैंने बहुत बार English के बारे में learn करा है. जब मैं when I was 8 year old, I have started learning English. Then when I am 11 year old, I have experience of learning English of 3 years. So I can speak English fluently in front of you. If you are watching my video, please like. And today I will tell you my morning routine. I wake up at 6 a.m. Then I brush my teeth and go to bath. When I have done my bathing, I go to temple for temple because there are two Lord God. First is the Lord Hanuman ji and second is the Lord Shankar Bhagwan ji. They both are stood there, so I go to pray them. I pray them that if from tomorrow is my paper, so I can do my paper very easily, and I have learned many things about my paper, and now I can write my paper very easily. And tomorrow I will tell you how my paper has been gone. And today I am living in Madhya Pradesh. I have seen many things. The class 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 12th also of Madhya Pradesh school, like this school, this Sarkari school, it has the student, 12th student and 10th student, they did not know what is noun, what is pronoun and adjective. They doesn't know that. If they do not know, they come to me and say, I want to learn English. But when I teach them noun, pronoun, they said it is very boring. I am not learning English. वो ये कह के चल जाते थे. तो जब मैंने मेरे एक दोस्त को लिया जिसको थोड़ा थोड़ा आता था, तो हमने उसको और अच्छे से सिखाया. अब वो भी मेरी तरह एकदम तेज तो नहीं. He can't speak English fluently, but he speaks English a little bit. But it is able to speak English, and I have learned it a lot. So it is speaking a bit English, but it doesn't shame like me. I don't have any shame, as I can make video in front of like a market with gather of people. But I don't shy, because if you will shy, you can't learn English. And some people say English is not a language, it is a subject. No, that's wrong. English is not subject, it is a language. You should learn it. You should not take it as a subject. You should learn it. You should speak. You can speak it. If you are, अगर आप अच्छे से able हो, तो आप ये भी कर सकते हो कि आपको कैसे करना है. और जैसे अभी मैंने सीखी है, वैसे बहुत लोगों को सीखना है. मैंने उनको मेरा फोन नंबर दिया है. If you do not want to call me, you can, आप अपने जो YouTube में कमेंट बॉक्स आता है उसके अंदर डाल सकते हो कि आप मुझे ऐसे बात करनी है, तो मैं कर लूंगा आपसे. और जैसे like me, today is the last day of my school, because from tomorrow will be my board paper are started, and 26 February 2026 I will not go to school. Then we have done holidays, also summer vacations, and I go to many places like Nagpur, Bhopal and Kanyakumari. I will go everywhere to do my summer vacations, and now I have done many things about, and I have learned. And you can see, if you like my videos, you can comment me, and please like and subscribe and follow my channel.